Imagine you're sitting at a seafood restaurant and a big plate of shrimp lands right in front of you. It looks tempting, maybe grilled with some seasoning or fried until golden and crispy. But then a thought pops into your head. Should I really be eating this, or is shrimp basically junk food in disguise? It's a common question, and the truth is, shrimp often gets misunderstood. Some people think it's unhealthy just because it contains cholesterol, while others say it's one of the best lean proteins you can add to your diet. So which side is right? Here's the deal. Shrimp itself is naturally healthy. It's low in calories, low in fat, but high in protein, which makes it a great option if you want to feel full without overloading on heavy food. Just 3 ounces of shrimp can give you more than 20 grams of protein with less than 100 calories. That's pretty impressive compared to many other proteins. On top of that, shrimp is packed with nutrients like selenium, which helps protect your cells, and iodine, which supports thyroid health. It even has omega-3 fatty acids, the kind of healthy fats that are good for your heart and brain. So why the confusion? It mostly comes down to how shrimp is prepared. When you eat shrimp that's grilled, steamed, or lightly sautéed, you're getting the healthy version that supports your body. But when it's deep-fried, breaded, or smothered in heavy sauces and butter, that's when shrimp turns into something closer to junk food. The shrimp itself isn't the problem. It's the added fats, oils, and salt that take away from its natural benefits. Another reason some people hesitate is the cholesterol content. Shrimp does have more cholesterol than many other types of seafood, but research shows that dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol levels as much as saturated and trans fats do. In other words, eating shrimp in reasonable amounts is unlikely to harm your heart. In fact, its omega-3s and low saturated fat can actually help balance things out. So, is shrimp healthy or junk food? The answer is that shrimp is definitely healthy when it's prepared in a smart way. Think of it as a blank canvas. You can turn it into a nutritious, protein-packed meal or load it up with calories and unhealthy fats, depending on how you cook it. At the end of the day, shrimp isn't junk food at all. It's a healthy food that sometimes gets dressed up in junk food clothing. The choice is in your hands, and if you go for the lighter cooking methods, shrimp can absolutely be one of the best foods on your plate.